Question 11b says the area of a semicircle is 32 pi centimeters squared. Our pi has not been changed. It has been left as pi. Our pi is 22/7. Find in terms of pi, that means we're not changing our pi, the circumference of the semicircle. We know the circumference of the semicircle is also the perimeter. And we're given the area of the semicircle. And for the perimeter of the semicircle is the perimeter of a circle, which is 2 pi r, divided by 2. That means these 2 will cancel these 2. The perimeter of a semicircle, since it's half of a circle, will be pi r. And we have our pi given to us. Our pi is a constant, but we don't have our radius. And the only way we can get our radius is from this first line, which says the area of a semicircle is this. From the area of a semicircle, we can get the radius and we can use it to solve, since we just need our r to get the answer. We're not changing our pi. So let's go. Area of a semicircle is equal to pi r squared over 2, that's divided by 2. We know the area of this semicircle is 32 pi, which is equal to area of a semicircle, which is pi r squared over 2. We can put this over 1. Since we're solving for r, we're looking for our radius, as said earlier. We'll cross multiply. This is pi r squared times 1 will give you pi r squared. Then on the other side, we have 2 times 32 pi. Cross and multiply. Equals 2 times 32 pi. Since we want our r alone, let's just go to the next line. Pi r squared equals 2 times 32 will give you 64 pi. So we'll divide, since we're looking for r, we'll divide both sides by pi to get rid of the pi on the r side. This pi cancels this pi, and this pi cancels this pi. So we have our r squared to be 64. And r squared, you're looking for r, you find square root of both sides. The square root cancels the square. R is equal to square root of 64 is 8. Our radius is 8. And like said earlier, we know the circumference of a semicircle is pi r. And they said they want our answer with the pi. They don't want to change. So for this, since we know our radius is 8, it will now be pi. Our r is 8 times 8, which is going to be 8 pi centimeters.